In this CloudRF tutorial, we're going to cover importing in multiple custom obstacles into the interface. This is a useful feature when you need to upload multiple obstacles which perhaps haven't been built or are under construction. First thing we need to start this process is the latitude and longitude of each point saved in a CSV format. We can then process the CSV file into a KML by using the latlon to KML poly Python script. This can be run from within a terminal. An example of this is being run on the screen now. This may differ over operating systems. We will now prepare the interface to import in these obstacles. Open the Environment tab, then select the Clutter Profile button. We can now create a custom clutter profile. For this tutorial, I'm going to name the clutter profile Wind Farm. We can then set the parameters for our own obstacles. In this case, 20 meters and 60 meter turbines. We can also set the height and attenuation for each of these obstacles. I can now set my clutter profile to Wind Farm, then select the Draw Obstacles button on the bottom ribbon. We can see that there are options to upload the KML as one of the custom obstacles we just defined. With our points now uploaded into the interface, we will carry out a calculation with custom obstacles turned off to get a baseline. Being at sea, we can see that the coverage of the radio is unobstructed until it hits features on the shore. When we turn on the custom obstacles, we can see how the turbines of this hypothetical wind farm would interrupt the coverage at different positions. To manage custom obstacles, we can go back into the Clutter Management tab and select Destroy All Obstacles. Or we can delete individual obstacles through the Draw Obstacles tab. You can find more information about using custom clutter to predict coverage in our documentation. This is available for links in the description. You can also find a link to our GitHub, where the Python script is available. To keep up to date with our new tools and features, please subscribe to this channel.